and discipline always lead to excellence. May I humbly invite our Swamiji to please come forward to honor our kids. Diya Santosh. First place goes Diya Santosh. Devakirti Shaj B. Rishmiga K. Congratulations to all, and you all make us proud. Scoring full marks is not easy. It is the result of continuous effort. We now honor the centum scorer. She has scored full marks in Malayalam. It is none other than Diya Santosh. May I now invite the centum scorer Diya Santosh. Behind every successful student stands a dedicated teacher. We now felicitate the teacher who guided the student to this milestone. May I now call upon Lada Miss to receive the award. Thank you, Lada Miss, for your commitment and excellence. Next, CBSE board exam subject toppers. These students have excelled in their respective subjects with remarkable scores. Diya Santosh. Devakirti Shaj B. Alan Vigilesh. Sanchal A.N. Sriyukta Ajay. N.M. Nandakishore. Hearty congratulations to all. Thank you, Swamiji, for doing the honor. Academic Excellence Award. This award celebrates consistent outstanding performance throughout the academic year. We proudly present the Academic Excellence Award. May I now invite Dr. Karun to please come forward and do the honor. Vedyan Prayag of Pre-KG. Ira S. Renil of LKG. I request all of you to give them a big round of applause. Anvin Suvind of UKG. Sriyanshi Srejat CP of First Standard. Itiha Prayag of 2nd standard. Arlen Renish of 3rd standard. Krishna Vrinda of 4th standard. Tanya Abhidesh Vachali of 5th standard. Thank you, Dr. Karun, for doing the honors. May I request our manager Samaradhya Chaitanya ji to do the honor. Aradhya C of 6th standard. Nihara S of 7th standard. Aradhya Niresh UK of 8th standard. Aparna Nayana AP of 9th standard. Parvati TC of 10th standard. Vrinda E of +1. Harshini Manoj of 12th standard. Thank you, Ma, for doing the honors. Art is the expression of the soul. We now honor the girl who has showcased exceptional talent across arts and cultural events, the prestigious Kala Tilakam. May I now invite Parvati TC of 10th standard to the stage. May I invite our esteemed chief guest to do the honors. We are proud to announce the wonderful achievements of our students at the Kannur Sahodaya District Kalolsav 2025. Under category 3 Story Writing Hindi, Aradhya S. Rao has secured 3rd position with A grade. Story Writing Malayalam, Aradhya Niresh UK secured 3rd position with A grade. Football teaches teamwork, strategy and courage. We now present the ever-rolling trophy. May the senior football team of Amritamai House come forward to receive the trophy. We now honor the Rising Stars, the junior football team. Again, Amritamai won the ever-rolling trophy. Please come forward to receive the trophy. It's time to honor the stars of the sports arena, the sports champions of this year. We are thrilled to announce the titles of Sports Champion Boy and Sports Champion Girl. May I now invite our Sports Champion Boy, Parthiv Deepak NK. Sports Champion Girl, Vaiga Srijit. Congratulations, dears. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. Next, we honor our young innovators. All the exciting STEP challenge in AI, coding and robotics, held in Thrissur featuring 50 working models and 5 presentations, 13 Amrita Vidyalayam schools. Our students came out with the flying colors in collaboration with Stogo. Under working model group, our students Arnab Arun Kumar, Ivan V. Deepesh and Nedik S. Nambya secured 3rd prize. I request Srimati Girija ma'am to do the honor. Under individual presentation, Ganga Lakshmi Sanish has secured 3rd prize. A reader today, a leader tomorrow. We now award the Voracious Reader Award to a student who finds joy and wisdom in books. Aradhya of 8th A. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. May I now invite our Swamiji to do the honor. Some students leave behind not just memories, but a lasting legacy of excellence, leadership and character. The Best Outgoing Student Award for this year is proudly awarded to none other than Parthiv SP of +2. Parthiv has been an all-rounder, academically strong, actively involved in co-curricular activities, a responsible leader and a role model for his juniors. We wish him all the great success in all his future endeavors. Finally, the spirit of unity, teamwork and participation shines through our house system. We now present the Best House Award. The house that excelled in academics, arts, sports and overall discipline. Now it's time to declare the best house. It is none other than Amritamai House. May I now invite the house captains, members and the house mistress to receive the trophy. Congratulations to the champions of the year. I request all our dignitaries to be the part of this. Comes to the end of our prize distribution ceremony. We will be starting our cultural fiesta within minutes. Thank you.